Hey friends, this is Chef Pinto here. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make prawn chops. These are very delicious and very simple to make. You can make this at home. So I'm going to show it in a very simple way. What you basically need is first step is have taken potato, 5 potato. You have to pressure cook them till it becomes soft, at least 8 whistle. So let's keep this potato for boiling, adding salt. So my next step is to keep the prawns ready. Now the potatoes are for the body and outer layer, and this is for the stuffing. So what I've taken is I've taken prawns which are peeled one. Once you peel, it is 500 grams. So basically you need 500 gram peeled prawns. So let's start with the cooking process now. Once you peel these prawns, you need to keep this for at least 10 minutes by applying salt. So that's what I did, and now let's start with the cooking process. So now when the pan is hot, add oil, saute garlic, add onion. I've taken 2 medium onion and 8 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute this for a while till it becomes nice golden brown in color. I've taken 2 green chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute it. Now add tomatoes, 1 chopped tomato. Saute it for a while. Now add prawns and mix it well. One thing to keep in mind, do not add any water to this. This will get dry by itself, it will leave water and you have to make it very dry. Keep stirring it, keep the flame on medium. Now remember guys, I've already applied salt to the prawns. Let it cook. I've not added more to onion and tomato. So let it cook and we'll adjust the seasoning later on if required. Guys, check this one. As you have noticed, these prawns are very little tiny ones. Now if you get medium size, basically what you have to do is you need to chop them up. This I haven't chopped because these are small prawns. Now check the seasoning. I will add a little bit more of salt, a pinch, and mix this. Let this be on slow simmer. Now we have to cook this till it becomes dry. Now add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, fresh coriander. Mix this properly and leave this on simmer. Let it become very dry. Guys, check this one. This is already dried. You can even have them like this also. So this stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and set it aside till it becomes at normal temperature. In order to make the chops, apply little oil to your palm. Take mashed potato, roll it nicely, spread it out on your palm. Some mixture and cover this from all sides. Take this all and keep it on the side before we crumb them all. Check this out. Now later we will give shape. Put the stuffing and keep it on the side. Same way, add a little bit of oil. Spread it out nicely. Make it flat. Wherever it is open line, add a little bit of mashed potato. Now make it round. Keep it like this. This is how you have to make it till you finish with the mixture. So once you stuff, look at this. You need egg. What I did is I have taken 2 eggs, beat them up, and we need also semolina to coat. Now once you have like this, we need to give the shape properly later on. Just coat it and keep it on the side. Check this out. Make it like this and keep it on the side. Now I'll start to fry them. Once the pan is hot, add oil. Keep the level little bit more so it get color evenly. Let it get hot. Keep the flame on medium. Once the oil is hot, add chops and fry them till they are golden brown in color. Now when it is ready on one side, you slowly have to turn it. Guys, check this out. These are ready now. I'm going to remove them, them aside, and start with another batch. Guys, check this out. This is how prawn chops are made. Follow each and every step and you will get this right. This is a very heat recipe in my house. Goes very quick once you made them. You will also experience the same. So watch step by step recipe and you can get this right. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.